The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 has landed, and with its refined hinge, larger flex window, and iconic foldable design, it's one phone you'll want to protect properly. But not all cases are made for a foldable like this, so we've rounded up 7 of the best options designed specifically for the Z Flip 7. Whether you're after serious protection, slim styling, or fun extras, there's something here for everyone. Let's check them out. If you need a case that can withstand tough environments, the SUPCASE UB Pro is the go-to choice. Built like a fortress, it combines hard polycarbonate with shock-absorbing TPU to create a rugged shell around your Z Flip 7. Reinforced corners offer impact resistance, while the secure hinge protector ensures the foldable mechanism stays damage-free. A scratch-resistant tempered glass protector is also included for the FlexWindow, helping it stay as pristine as the day you unboxed it. Add in a 360-degree rotatable belt clip for convenience and a built-in kickstand that works great in flex mode, and you've got a case built for work, play, and everything in between. Yes, it adds some bulk, but for all-around protection, it's worth it. If you love pairing style with practicality, the i-Blason Cosmo case delivers on both fronts. It features a chic marble-like finish while packing a punch with 10-foot drop-tested protection. The built-in 9H tempered glass screen protector defends the flex window without compromising clarity or responsiveness. Thanks to its flexible TPU construction and a hinge protector that moves fluidly with your phone, it ensures solid protection without restricting usability. What's more, the N52 grade magnet inside makes it MagSafe friendly, so you can snap on compatible chargers and accessories effortlessly. The matte finish back resists fingerprints, and precise cutouts ensure your ports, buttons, and fingerprint reader remain easy to access. For those wanting reliable drop protection without adding too much bulk, the UAG Mouve Case hits a sweet spot. It combines a slim profile with a high-performance build using translucent PC for the back and soft TPU around the frame. Its airsoft corners absorb shock effectively, giving you confidence against unexpected bumps or drops. The case also integrates a magnetic array for MagSafe-style accessories and works seamlessly with Samsung Pay. Its open hinge design preserves the Flip's folding motion, while included adhesives keep everything snug and secure. Lightweight, durable, and sleek, this case is a strong everyday companion. The Flipsuit case from Samsung offers something a little different. It turns your Z Flip 7 into an extension of your personality. By inserting a Flipsuit card into the case, you unlock dynamic effects on the flex window, animated themes, personalized photo frames, and even mini-games like pinball, all accessible without flipping open the phone. This added interactivity doesn't come at the expense of protection. The case fits securely, wraps neatly around the phone, and provides dependable coverage for everyday use. If you're into customization and want your phone to reflect your mood or style, the Flipsuit case is a fun and engaging pick. If you prefer something ultra slim that doesn't detract from the Z Flip 7's original design, the Ringke Slim Magnetic is ideal. Crafted from hard, non-yellowing polycarbonate, it provides a minimalist look with a frosted finish that feels smooth yet secure in the hand. Despite its slimness, it includes integrated magnets for full MagSafe compatibility and supports wireless charging without needing to remove the case. There's even a built-in lanyard hole so you can attach a wrist strap or charm. While it's not meant for heavy-duty protection, it's perfect for users who value lightweight elegance. The Vihibii case is an excellent blend of form and function. It's compact and lightweight, yet doesn't skimp on features. The standout is its semi-automatic hinge cover that glides smoothly with the folding action, adding protection to one of the phone's most vulnerable areas. On the front, an ultra-clear tempered glass protector shields the outer display from scratches and smudges. The back sports a triangular texture for added grip and a fingerprint-resistant coating to maintain its clean appearance. Soft inner padding ensures your phone stays free from scratches inside the case. It's also fully compatible with wireless charging. The Spigen Airfit Pro MagFit offers a slim yet highly functional layer of protection for your Galaxy Z Flip 7. WPCI Q2.1 certified, this case fully supports the Q2 wireless charging protocol, giving you faster and more efficient charging without removing the case. It features a new semi-automatic hinge cover that moves smoothly with your phone, offering extra protection without interfering with the fold. While the case is compatible with many MagSafe accessories, some may not align perfectly due to the hinge design, so compatibility may vary. Despite its lightweight profile, the case remains durable and impact resistant. You'll also appreciate the tactile buttons, which offer solid feedback and effortless presses for a more responsive user experience. Ideal for users who want sleek style, wireless functionality, and reliable day-to-day protection. And that wraps up our picks for the 7 best cases to keep your Galaxy Z Flip 7 safe and looking amazing. Which one matches your style? Rugged, slim, or playful? Let us know in the comments which case you'd choose and why. Don't forget to subscribe for more.